So I want you to reflect with me for a second. Like, I want us to do a quick exercise. I want you to think about yourselves in the next 5 years and ask yourself, where do I see myself in the next 5 years? And I'm actually going to pause for a second so that you think about it. I'm now pausing. So we have moved 5 years in time. So we are there in 5 years. I want you to turn to somebody and tell them, like, those 5 years are in the present. Say, in 5 years, I am, and I'll give you some examples. I'm a business owner. I'm a manager. I'm a graduate. Whatever your vision is, please turn to somebody and tell them, in 5 years, I am. Thank you very much for doing that. I truly appreciate it. While you are still in the present future, we are still 5 years from now. That's where we are. I want you to look back and see, what did you need to do to get there? What mindset did you need to have to get there? What actions did you need to take to get there? You have seen the future. You have seen Canaan. Write down those steps and get to work. Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it is done. What is your next step? We looked at the future. We went 5 years into the future. We know the future we want to create. We know the steps it took for us to get to the future. So what is your next step? What dream have you put on hold? What impact are you yet to create? Your past does not define you. Your current job, your present, does not limit you. You have the power to change your future. What Gary Maathai said, no matter how small the contribution, we can all do something to make a difference. So as we celebrate today, let's not only give thanks for the present, but also for the future that is waiting for us. The world is for those who dare to dream and work for it. So dream big, work hard, and keep going. Martin Luther said, if you can't fly, sometimes we look at people flying and we think, I wish I could move at their speed. Martin Luther was talking to you if that's you. Martin Luther said, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward. Thank you very much, and God bless you.